Today, I'm in Carnation at Falling River Meats. Here, food and fun go hand in hand.
Here at my shop, we do lots of things, but it always involves wonderful local meats.
Darren Marsoff is a fourth-generation butcher. His focus is on local animals.
Our farmers are wonderful people. They love these animals. This is not from a feedlot. This is from your neighbor. I want these animals loved. I want them cared for. And that's what really makes them so special. I beat everybody because all my farmers work so hard, you know. It really makes it very important for me to do my best work so that I can show how hard my farmers have worked. One of the things I'm very passionate about is training new apprentices here to pass on what I know. Butchers' wages are some of the lowest in trades. And it's my goal to not only train these apprentices, but pay them a livable wage in King County so that we can continue this trade and I can pass along my family pattern and my traditions and everything so that it's not lost.
What is something that you would like people to know about being a butcher?
I grew up believing that butcher shops were very warm, inviting places because everybody was laughing and having fun and eating, and it smelled good, and it's really fun. It's food. I hope to have that kind of ambiance in my own shop.
Now Darren is going to show me how to make sausage links.
So that's just all you do, is you're kind of guiding it, and then you're holding this on.
Okay.
All right, you want to take over?
Oh, absolutely.
And then push your knee there.
Push my knee here. Okay,
Yep.
push. Look at me! I'm making sausage!
Of course, I add sage to my sausage. Sage and pork just belong together.
Yes.
There you go. Nothing to it.
Hot diggity dog.
So now we're gonna do a process called knitting. Your left thumb is gonna be in this loop here. There you got it.
I need all the help I can get. This.
Put this in and you'll feed it through.
Here.
Exactly.
All right, I'm lost after that.
You're doing great.
I may have had a little trouble. Oh, no. It feels like I'm gonna slip.
Let me correct you here.
Oh gosh.
There we go.
Okay, I'm gonna let you do it.
Okay. Let me continue.
I know where my strengths are.
You're doing great. Hey, you're a natural.
When you get it all cooked,
Yes.
I'm gonna be there for you.
Yep, sausage and gravy.
Next up, we're gonna make a hot Italian sausage.
You know, you're an old hat at this now. You know what you're doing.
I broke the machine.
You broke it. There you go.
And then there's Val in the kitchen again. I can just feel everybody at home laughing. Well, just fall on the floor, folks.
So what you'll want to do is you want to find your normal sausage size, which is about 6 inches.
Okay.
Then give it a little press like so, and then twist.
Oh!
And so then we've just made a sausage.
Gentle pinch.
And then there you go. Nice. You got it.
Oh!
Too much.
I busted. Oh gosh.
That's okay.
Oh my gosh. I think I'm perspiring. This is a lot of pressure. 6 inches.
Perfect. Yeah.
Okay. Gentle pinch and
Twist.
Twist.
Nicely done.
is that okay?
You've just made a sausage. Yes.
So I at least have one type of sausage I can make.
You did very well on both of them.
Okay, go ahead and put me to shame. And also because we don't want to be here all day.
Yeah. I wasn't going to say it out loud. I was thinking it.
And of course, the best part of making food is eating it. Makes me happy.
Me too.
It's like a little mouth hug.
Mouth hug. Yes, that is awesome.
Oh my gosh, Darren, thank you so much.
My pleasure, Val.
Oh, this is so delicious. I know we got to end the segment, but I still have a little work to do here, so.
You take your time.
Okay.